In Bangladesh, Hindus are positively influencing various important areas of the state, including politics, economy and culture. Although they are a religious minority, they are living in harmony with the Muslims. However, sometimes Hindus are victims of politics as well and at times migrate to India. So how are the Hindus in Bangladesh faring? Our correspondent, Lekmina Jasmine Soma, reports from Bangladesh.
There are 17 million Hindus living in Bangladesh with a population of about 160 million in general. There is a very cordial relationship between the majority Muslims and the Hindu minority. The position of Hindus in the politics of Bangladesh, in the cabinet or at the higher level of the secretariat is significant. Especially after the Awami League-led government came to power in 2008, various initiatives have been taken to empower the Hindu community in the last one decade. Even a Chief Justice was appointed in this country from the Hindu community.
Bangladesh started its journey in 1971 with the dream of building a non-communal and secular state. Today, despite all the problems, people of all religions and ethnic groups are celebrating their festivals peacefully. The people of Bangladesh want to move forward by continuing this trend in the years to come.
WION travels to Dhakeshwari Mandir, which has the distinction of being Bangladesh's national temple, a hub of socio-cultural as well as religious fervour of the Hindu community to get a first-hand account of people's aspirations.
It's been an awesome country to live in, and I don't think there is any kind of communal kind of things in anybody's mind.
It was comparatively what I would say harmonious, and I've grown up with a lot of Muslim people around me, and it was good. We've never had conflicts regarding religion.
Many friends have Muslim, but their behavior not many problematic. So we are very friendly, communicate each other.
The hopes of Hindu community in Bangladesh have risen under Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, who has been a vocal advocate of equal rights for minorities. She also scrapped a controversial law to dispel complexities over ownership of properties by the members of the minority community.
There is always ups and downs. In one line, I will say this present government, this pro-liberation government, they are comparatively more minority friendly. That is, quote unquote, is the main thing. So that is the main stigma, which is the positive thing.
Contrary to this reality of Hindu-Muslim harmony in Bangladesh, there is also a negative image. The Bangladesh Jatiya Hindu Mahajot says that in the first 6 months of 2020, 592 minorities were tortured in the country. It damages one or more individuals, families, institutions and temples. Especially when the National Parliament election comes, Hindus become victims of political violence. Various statistics show that the trend of being tortured in Bangladesh and consequently moving to India has never stopped. According to the 2011 census, the number of Hindus in 15 districts of Bangladesh has decreased by almost 1 million in 10 years. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.